Okay, so in this video I will show you if you are using like Windows 10 LTSC or Windows 11 LTSC and it lacks Microsoft Store. So if you want to download and install some Microsoft apps that you think should be there, like media player or photos app or any app that you think, like terminal app, this app I have downloaded it from Microsoft Store because I like this app and it was not there in my Windows 11 LTSC. So I'll show you how you can download it. So this is a VM uh, of Windows 10 and it is Windows 10 LTSC, as you can see. So it has very minimum apps, very less apps. Some of the apps that should be here, but they are missing. So like terminal, I'll show you what I mean. If you want this app, that photos app, because you need photos app in your uh, Windows. It's not the best, but it does the job. So just download it. It's downloaded, as you can see. We'll install it. One second. Before that, I want to also install this media player to show you. This media player is not the best, but if you want this, if you like this player and you miss this, you can also download this. So I'm downloading it and I'll show you in a second. Okay, so these are downloaded. We'll open this folder where it's stored. As you can see, it's downloaded .exe files. This is our photos. This is our media player. So we'll start with media player. For example, let's see. Okay, so it will download necessary files in the background, and it will install up our Windows media player. We don't need to download a whole Microsoft Store. Earlier, earlier it was like you need to download whole Microsoft Store if you want some apps, Windows apps that are not here, like Screenbox, an app that I like very much. You can also download this one. Okay, so that's how you can download the Microsoft Store apps in your system. In my system, it's taking time, but because I'm running VM on a hard drive, but in your system, it will install immediately. So yeah, that's it.